So I think we've really hit a time in filmmaker gear and camera accessories to where the saying, good things come in small packages, have really been proving itself in this field, because I've gone on and on about my Nikon ZR and how powerful I think this is, and it comes in such a small package. And that's no different when we're talking about this particular light right here. Look at these two together. They're about the same. Look, it's like they fit together. This is almost like a small, tiny camera, but a powerful light. This is the Zhiyun Molus X100 Mackey collaboration. It's also a RGB light, and it comes with a lot of modifications. Right now I have on the Fresnel with the barn doors on it, and it looks like a tiny little camera. Like if it had an EVF, I can just look through it and it'd be a camera. That's ridiculous. It wouldn't actually be a camera, but you know what I mean. So I really wanted to talk about this light and how I think this can fit in the arsenal or the gear bag of your typical creators such as myself, or filmmakers who are looking to do small projects, or, you know, as a creator and filmmaker starting out on YouTube, this is something that can really help out a lot. I can remember times when I was just getting started in sort of like the filmmaker field and really getting interested in filmmaking and cameras and all these accessories, and I would get gear acquisition syndrome. But every now and again, there's a company who really has creators in mind, and Zhiyun is one of those companies that I think really listen to creators and really strive to produce the things that really help us in our day-to-day sort of experience. So when it comes to this light, I really just wanted to go over the different types of scenarios and different types of spaces I can see us using this in, and how this can fit in our filmmaker bag and in our filmmaker camera accessories and lighting sort of like arsenal. So let's go over the different things that we can do with the Zhiyun Molus X100. And let's thank Zhiyun for sending me this light, because I've actually had my eyes on it for so long. And I know a lot of other creators have talked about getting this light, and I feel so lucky to have them send this out to me. And then we're really gonna test it out and see how we can use this. Look at these two together. Huh? Right? They're like the same thing, except one's a camera and one's a light, but you know what I mean. Yeah, let's test out the Molus X100 RGB light and see what we can do with it. Let's go. All right, so, and those were all just simply one light scenarios. Well, except in the car, I did need sort of a key light for my face, just kind of get some emotion going. If you see with the one in the kitchen to fake a sunlight, or it's like the morning sunrise, just kind of had it like off to the side, barn doors on, and just like blast that sunlight. I think I had it at just 3000 Kelvin, and that was it. Just blasting that morning sunlight, and it was pretty like gloomy outside at first, but then I closed those shades at the door, at the balcony door, and then just kind of had the sunlight coming in, because at first it kind of seemed like the regular daylight was kind of obstructing that. So, and that's what you want. You want to be able to control your light consistently. So I closed the shades and then just blast that light from this one powerful light. I did have it plugged in with the power cord and the power brick. The battery died on me, That's another thing. I haven't fully tested the battery to see how long it lasts. I've heard it doesn't last that long, but in the few kind of situations that I've been using it in, it's just kind of been going at a decent pace. But I didn't charge it yesterday, so I ended up having to plug the power brick in and use it that way. And that's where you see have that cord down the side kind of plugged in right there. Yeah, just kind of went through it in the kitchen, kind of fake a sunrise, morning tea sort of scenario situation. And just really what I mean about having this light be used in different scenarios, just for like these quick little things that you want to do, especially as creators who are like kind of like wanting to pump out these little creative cinematic little, you know, pieces of film that we want to do. And especially for social media, you can just kind of like crank one of these out, snap that light, turn it on, place it somewhere, and like I did with the one in the car, put it on a suction cup just like this. So yeah, and the one where I'm like faking like a cop light, you know, the police like sort of siren lights, I kind of just suction cupped it right on the back of the car, and the car was sitting in the garage, so I wasn't driving anywhere. Suction cup it back there, like just like how I have it on here. Little suction cup with a little arm, and yeah, snap it on there, put that police effect on there, police lights effect, and just had it go. And then, you know, I got this clip right here. So like I said, using this light could be as simple as just like having these like quick little bits that you can do if you have an idea, or if you're like kind of short on set for something and you have something like this and just like tucked away in a bag. You know, the battery is pretty powerful. The light itself is pretty powerful, so using it with the battery wouldn't be a problem. I'm not sure if there's a different sort of like power delivery from the battery to the, you know, the power brick, using it in, you know, from plugging it in the wall. But as far as I can tell, the output that you get from the light is substantial enough to kind of like get these scenes or get something, you know, a little creative. And I think that's worth a lot. That's really worth getting your creativity to not be slowed down by having bulky lights that may not be as powerful, because lights are coming in smaller packages these days, and this is one of the smallest that I've seen. And I'm really like impressed with a light like this. So all in all, with that being said, I think the Zhiyun Molus X100 RGB is just an amazing bang for your buck as a light, as a creative's tool or a creator's tool, just to kind of like have it small, tiny, tucked away in a bag, in your gear bag, or like in your case, your carrying case. It just can fit in these places, and you know, it's tough, and like it's creative. And I think that's as much as I can say about it. So thank you, Zhiyun, for sending me this light. Really appreciate it, and I'm looking forward to reviewing any more products you have to send my way. I'm a creative's creative, and I would love to have all of these smaller tools that does not slow me down in my gear bag, and just like when I'm out and about and I just want to like make these products, I just want to be able to like snap and make something as soon as I get an idea, or if I get a creative spark, and I want to be able to do something with it, you know. So yeah, I think this light is a pretty useful tool. So yeah, if you like this, thank you for watching. Come back for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.